Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all, and happy Thanksgiving. I hope your long weekend is filled with food and love and all those things that the holidays bring for us. So today I have for you the Gentleman's Box and Basic Man. So if you remember, I said that I was going to start combining these two boxes. Real quick, I do want to give a shout out to the winners of the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. I will throw their pictures up in the corner, so give them a congratulations. 2 of the 7 people never got back to me with photos, but I will show you the tracking information and I will show you that they got their stuff. But for some reason, I cannot get a hold of them through email, or they just aren't seeing their email. It might be going to their junk mail. I don't know, but they did get their boxes, and I've sent them a couple of emails over the last week asking them to send me pictures, and they just haven't responded. So I'm not sure, but everybody did get their prizes, and so like I said, that'll be up there. Let's get into Basic Man and Gentleman's Box. So Basic Man is $20 a month, and it pretty much states it all. It's basic. So in here for 20 bucks a month, you get a pair of underwear, a t-shirt, and a pair of socks. And then the Gentleman's Box is more for the savvy man, someone that have a job that they have to go to where they have to dress up a little bit. They might have to wear a shirt and a tie, or you know, like us. Well, John does have that sort of a job, but we also like to go out to fancy restaurants for dinner. So this is a really good box for him. All right, so let's get into Basic Man first. So the first thing I am pulling out is a pair of socks, and these are a little different. Usually they're a little more whimsical, but I mean, these are fine too. They're nice, and it's a solid tan with, I don't know, I can't tell. That's either brown or gray. I don't know. I cannot tell. And then the next thing I am pulling out is a pair of undies. That's a pretty burgundy color. And also you have the Destroyed by Date that is right there, and it's always on the inside of the underwear and the shirt. And then the last thing I am pulling out is the t-shirt, and it's just a nice solid color. Again, the Destroyed by Date is in there. And it basically just tells you to throw your stuff away when it gets old. All right, so that was Basic Man. Let's get into the Gentleman's Box. So the Gentleman's Box is $29.99 a month, and open it up. You open it up and it's like this 3-fold system that they have going on here. It does come with a booklet, and it tells you the prices of everything in here, so I do like that. So the first thing I am pulling out is this maroon and silver and blue tie. That's really pretty. Pretty, it's handsome, pretty, whatever. John doesn't have anything like this in his collection of ties, so that's nice. The tie retails for $35. The next thing I am pulling out are the Proud to Be Panda socks. Oh, that's cute. So it's a multi-design sort of a sock. I'm not going to take this off, but as you can see, it has like stripes on the one side, and then kind of like a plaid-ish on the other side. But that is a really pretty color, and they match. I like that they match. The next, oh, and the socks retail for $13. The next thing I am pulling out is Mr. White, and it is a pocket square. That's pretty. This is more of like a red, white, and blue theme opposed to a I mean, I guess they still match. It's different. It's just different. I mean, I suppose they do still match, so that's fine. And then, let's see. Oh, and the pocket square retails for $20. And then we have cufflinks that retail for $25. And they are, the brand is Workin' Stiffs. That's funny. I said $25, right? Yeah, $25. And those are just pretty basic cufflinks. I don't know if you can see that, but they do have a little red etched in on each of the corners there. So ends, that way it matches the other things. And the last thing I am pulling out of this box is this. I have no idea what this is. Let's find out. So this is what this looks like. I have no idea what this is. We are about to read about it, but it is leather and it folds. Let's see. It retails for $20 and it says catch all tray. What is it, like a bib for grown men? I don't know, let's see. What is it? Gent Life brings you an exclusive leather accessory tray. Now you have a central home that makes your accessories more acceptable. Oh, okay. So it's just something you set on the dresser, and so it goes like this. It snaps on the corners, and it is just a leather tray. You can set it on the dresser, you can set it on the sink, and this is just where he puts his accessories, like his cufflinks or a watch or whatever else, his tie clips. So that's kind of cool. Totally worth it. I don't know. I mean, this isn't my favorite box that he's gotten from them, but I do like it. And they also have a recipe for apple cider margaritas. Okay, you guys. So that was the Gentleman's Box and Basic Man. I hope you enjoyed these unboxings and have a great day. And again, congratulations to the winners of the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Bye.